Hello, hello. Welcome to Syndicate Trading Hub, and this is your host, Louis Thompson. And today we are going to talk about trading and what it entails. So, what is trading, or what is financial trading? Financial trading is mostly the same as the trading that, or what you are normally conversant with. Okay. So, so we have our mothers who we call them traders. And what do? They go to the farmers. Okay, they buy tomatoes from them at a low price. They take a car, come to Accra or Kumasi or wherever the market is that they can sell. And they come and sell it at a higher price. Okay. Then what do? They take their profits from it and they are called traders. So you say that, oh, what is your mother's occupation? So my mother is a trader or my father is a trader. Okay. Because why? They trade commodities, they trade foodstuffs, they trade meat, they trade fish. So it's the same ideology when we also come to the financial market. Okay. So trading is basically trying to buy something at a lower price and selling it at a higher price or vice versa. So you are either the one that you are selling or you are the one that is buying. Okay. But in at this time, you are not buying rice or you are not buying tubers of yam or kokunte or whatever. No. This at this time around, you are dealing with financial assets. Okay. So when we talk about the financial aspect, we have different categories that we can put them in. So when you talk about when people say that, oh, I'm a trader, the only term that maybe the Ghanaian person will associate it with is the forex market. So say that, oh, so you trade forex, or so you're a forex trader, because that is what is common. Okay, but most people that say that they are forex traders are actually not trading the forex market. Okay, some are trading the cryptocurrency market, some are trading the commodity market. Okay, so we have different sections of the financial market, and it depends on what you are interested in and your goals. Then you choose the sector or the section that you want to trade with. Okay. So when we talk about the trading industry, okay, and the types of the financial market or the different sections of the financial market, okay, we can group them into what we call stocks. So we have people that trade stocks, okay. We have people that trade indices, okay. We have the forex traders, okay. So it's not every trader that is a forex trader, okay. We have commodities. We have commodities, okay. Aside that, we can have bonds. We can have cryptocurrencies. Okay, we can have ETFs. Okay. So all these are, all these things are what we call the financial market. So stocks, when you want to bet on the rise or fall of a company, okay, or when you want to bet or when you want to bet on the rise or fall of the value of a company, then we say that, okay, you're trading stocks. So you can trade stocks, you can trade shares in Apple, in Twitter, Facebook, GCB Bank, EcoBank, whatever that whatever company that interests you. Okay. Cocoa Processing Company, Barclays, all of them are companies that are listed, okay, on the either on the global stock exchange or on the Ghanaian stock market so that you can trade them. So when we talk about the indices too, okay, we talk about group of companies that come together. Okay, so when you're talking about a group of tech companies, they have a group that we put them in, and that is the Nasdaq 100. Okay, and you can trade that. We have also the US 30, we have the S&P 500. So those are group or sectors of companies that have been grouped together, and their performances are rated together, and they can be a general indicators on how the companies in a particular country is performing. Okay, so most of those are companies in the US that we can measure their performance using the indices. Okay. Then we have the forex market, which is the trading of just currencies. Okay, so when you are talking about the stock market, you are talking about just currencies. Okay, so currencies around the world. Okay, so everybody has been, or one way or the other, has been a forex trader. All right. So if you have had any chance to change money from your local currency to another currency for any purpose, you were a forex trader. Just that maybe you're trading the spot market. Okay. So um, if maybe you needed a CD for the dollar to pay something online, you're a forex trader because you are buying one currency for the other, or you're using one currency to buy another currency. So when you trade the differences between currencies, then we can call you a forex trader. Then we have the commodity traders, and right now this is where most of the people, the new traders that are coming, this is where they fall, the commodities. Okay, and the chief commodity that people trade is gold. Okay, so we are talking about metals, we are talking about oil, so metals like gold, silver, copper, and all those things, they are commodities. Okay. Then you can have under commodities, you can have soya bean, you can have cocoa, okay, timber, all those things are tradable. Okay, wheat, all those things are tradable. You can trade the prices of wheat, the brochures on the market. Okay, and um that, but a lot of people trade the gold because of the volatility. Okay, so those are what we call the commodities. So you can be a commodity trader. So if you don't trade currencies and you trade commodities, you are not a forex trader. You are a commodity trader. Okay, so that is one of the misconceptions that I want to clear here so that you can have a better understanding of what I'm saying. Then we have the bonds. The bonds are when maybe the government needs money from the citizens or from people to undertake certain projects, and in like the government wants people to invest in them, okay, so that they can use the money for their own things, then later pay them back with interest. So that is the bond. So you can buy a bond with a can buy a bond with the government or anything, and they are considered risk, like they are considered low risk investments, but the the percentage or the profit percentage on it is sometimes very small. Okay, and all of it operates in the same way as the stock and things. You have to know how to analyze so that you can get in at a good time and all those things. So that is all that you can use to um, assess the strength or the weakness of it. Then we talk about the cryptocurrencies. And the cryptocurrency is it was created to, be an alternative to the centralized money that we are using that is controlled by the central government. Okay. So cryptocurrencies are currencies online. They are money online. It's also a currency, but it's online. Okay, and the leader was Bitcoin. And there came Ethereum, then Solana, and now we have BNB, um, we have other cryptocurrencies as XRP that are used for different kinds of payment and different kinds of platforms. And I too, we have meme coins like that can it's more of a gamble. Okay, you can lose all your money or you can gain a lot of money. So we have on the meme coin, we have Dogecoin, we have Pepe, we have uh, Wikicard. Okay, so all those things are meme coin. They are just like emojis that people hype. And when it's getting up, they can take all their money and dump it. Then the ones that are not experienced or they are not lucky, let me put luck, they are not lucky, will lose all their money. Okay. So basically, those are the different sectors of the financial industry that I want you to take note of. Okay.